guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. Thanks for joining me once again for a CVS deals video. And if you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. Let's start with the Crest deal. Select Crest toothpaste are on sale for $4.99 and they are part of buy 2 get 5 back. And whenever we have the Crest deal, it's always a limit of 2. Pick up 4 Crest toothpaste at $4.99 each. The 4 will total $19.96. Use a $1 digital coupon and go on Coupon 24 app and use a 5 off 3 Crest coupon. The 2 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $13.96, get 10 back, making them $3.96 or 99 cents each. Used to get 4 off 20 Crest CRT, but now I have a 5 off 25 CRT which will not work with this deal. But if you have the 4 off 20, you will pay $9.96, get 10 back. That will make the 4 toothpaste free and 4 cents moneymaker. My next deal is spend 10 get 5 back on Colgate Total Oral Care or toothbrushes. Pick up 2 Colgate toothpaste priced at $5.39 each. Both will total $10.78. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $7.78, get 5 back, making them $2.78 or $1.39 each. The Conair hair dryer is on sale for $19.99 and when you buy one, you get $10 back. Pick up one, pay $19.99 and get 10 back, making it just $9.99. Garnier Fruity shampoo or conditioners are on the deal of buy 2 get 3 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $5.59 each. Both will total $11.18. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $8.18, get 3 back, making them $5.18 or $2.59 each. There are 2 different Pantene deals this week, so if you're doing them, make sure you're picking up the right size, that way you get your extra care box. And the one I have in this video is buy 2 get 5 back. Pick up the 12-ounce Pantene shampoo priced at $6.59 and a 10.4-ounce Pantene conditioner priced at $6.59. The 2 will total $13.18. Use the 2 off 2 coupon from Coupon 24 app and you pay $11.18, get 5 back, making them $6.18 or $3.09 each. The next deal is on Head and Shoulder hair care. They're on sale for $6.99 and when you buy 2, you get 3 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. Both will total $13.98. Use a 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $10.98, get 3 back, making them $7.98 or $3.99 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 5 back on any Clairol hair color. Pick up 2 Clairol textures and tones priced at $8.49 each. Both will total $16.98. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon that will expire on Sunday. Use that and you pay $10.98, get 5 back, making them $5.98 or $2.99 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 8 back on Garnier facial care. Pick up 2 Garnier Skin Active Blackhead Eliminating Scrub priced at $9.29 each. Both will total $18.58. Use the $2 digital coupon and you pay $16.58 and get 8 back, making them $8.58 or $4.29 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 6 back on Maybelline Cosmetics. Pick up 1 Maybelline lipstick priced at $8.79 and 1 Maybelline baby lips priced at $6.19. The 2 will total $14.98. Use a $3 off Maybelline digital coupon and a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT. The coupon and the CRT will take off $6 and you pay $8.98, get 6 back, making them $2.98 or $1.49 each. The next cosmetic deal I have is on CoverGirl and it's on the deal of buy 2 get 5 back. Pick up 2 CoverGirl eye pencils priced at $6.29 each. The 2 will total $12.58. Use the $4 off CoverGirl digital coupon and you pay $8.58, get 5 back, making them $3.58 or $1.79 each. My next deal is spend 20 get 10 back on Nivea hand and body lotion, lip or facial care. Pick up 2 Nivea lotions priced at $10.29 each. Both will total $20.58. We have a $2 off Nivea digital coupon that will expire today, so you have to do this deal on Sunday to be able to use the $2. That will drop it down to $18.58 and you get 10 back, and that will make both lotions just $8.58 or $4.29 each. My next deal is on Gillette shave foams. They are on sale for buy one get one half off, and they are part of buy two get three back. Pick up two price at $4.19, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $2.10. These two will total $6.29. Pay the $6.29 and you get three back, making them $3.29, $8.65 each. The family size Chips Ahoy cookies are on sale for buy one get one free, no extra care box bag, and is priced at $6.49. Pick up two, pay $6.49, and that will make each pack just $3.25. Last week we have a $1.50 back on Ibotta, limit of 5, but it went away on Friday. If you do this deal, keep your receipt in case it comes back. That way you can redeem it. And if the Ibotta rebate comes back and you redeem for the 2 packs, that means you get back $3 from Ibotta, making them $3.49 or $1.75 each. Just like the Chips Ahoy cookies, the Kellogg Rice Krispie treats are on sale for buy one get one free and no extra care box bag. Pick up 2 price at $4.69. Pay the $4.69, and that will make each box just $2.35. Method hand wash are on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 price at $5.29 each. With the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $2.65. Both will total $7.94. Pay the $7.94 and get 2 back, making them $5.94 or $2.97 each. Palmolive dish soap is on sale for buy one get one half off and part of buy 2 get $2 bag. Pick up 2 price at $4.99, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $2.50. These two will total $7.49. Use the $1.50 off digital coupon and you pay $5.99, get 2 bag, making them $3.99 or $2 each. My next deal is spend 20 get 5 back, and Scott products are part of this deal. Pick up 112 roll Scott bar tissue on sale for $10.99 and 16 double roll Scott paper towel on sale for $9.99. These two will total $20.98. Use the $1 off Scott digital coupon and you pay $19.98. Get 5 back, making them $14.98 or $7.49 each. The spend 30 get $10 extra care box is back this week, and I have 4 options. But remember, this deal is a limit of 1 per account. The first option I have is to pick up 2 Tide detergents on sale for $12.99 each and 1 Tide pod on sale for $5.49. These 3 will total $31.47. Use 2 $3 coupon for the Tide detergent, 1 from the CVS app and 1 from Coupon 24 app. And on Coupon 24 app, we have another $1 off coupon for the Tide pod. The 3 coupons will take off $7 and you pay $24.47, get 10 back, making them $14.47 or $4.82 each. The second option I have is to pick up 2 26-ounce Old Spice Gentleman's Body Wash on sale for $10.99 each and 1 Charmin Essential Bath Tissue on sale for $9.99. These 3 items will total $31.97. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon for the Old Spice and a $1 off digital coupon for the Charmin. The 2 coupons will take off $5 and you pay $26.97, get 10 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $7 back when you buy 2 Old Spice body wash. That will end up making them $9.97 or $3.32 each. Third option I have is to pick up 1 6 double roll Bounty paper towel on sale for $12.99 and pick up 1 Bounty 2 triple rolls on sale for $9.99. and 2 Febreze Air Mist on sale for 20% off, and they are priced at $4.99, but with the 20% off, they will be $3.99. These 4 items will total $30.96. Use a $2 off Bounty digital coupon for the 6 double rolls and a $1 off Bounty coupon from Coupon 24 app for the triple rolls. We also have a $3.50 off 2 Febreze digital coupon. 3 coupons will take off $6.50 and you pay $24.46 and you get 10 back, making them $14.46 or $3.62 each. Fourth option I have for the spend 30 deal is to pick up 1 Dawn Power Wash on sale for $5.99 and 2 6 double rolls Bounty paper towels on sale for $12.99. These 3 items will total $31.97. Use a $2 off Dawn digital coupon and 2 $2 off Bounty coupon, 1 from the app and 1 from Coupon 24 app. The 3 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $25.97, get 10 back, making them $15.97 or $5.32 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all the support you guys give me every week. I truly appreciate them, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.